Hello everyone, this is Puzzler Trades and it's my first YouTube video on the channel, and today I'll be explaining my day trading strategy that can be easily automized. So that's the first thing we can do is see how much profit it'll make. So we start with the day at 9:30 p.m. and we use the VWAP indicator, which basically how we use it is when the price is on the upward momentum. So this candle is above this candle, this close is higher than this close, and this one is crossed above the VWAP. It closed above the VWAP line. That's a buy signal, so we buy it up here. We hold until we have a negative candle. So right here we would have bought at this point right here, held at that candle, and sold here at a loss. And then we come here, it didn't fully close above it, so we wouldn't have bought right here. We see it closed above this VWAP line, so then we would have bought right here, held for this candle right here, and sold right there for 0.28% profit. And then as you can see, we touched the VWAP line. That's pretty good support line, and it basically is bounced off and it closed above the VWAP line again there, and then we would hold for this candle right here, and because we got a negative candle right after that, we would have closed the trade for 0.21% profit. And as you can see here, yes, on Friday was a pretty dry trading day, and right here we were crossed up, entered at 234.30 and exited at 234.58 for 0.12% profit. And as you can see, this strategy is pretty profitable. And also there's also another trade right here, which right here we would enter right here. Well, it's kind of on the line, but enter right there, exit for here, so that would be 0.06% profit. And Friday would have been a good trading day, but in general, he would make about 1% profits. And I'll keep you guys posted on any updates to the program.